It's my turn. It's my turn, okay? Check.
No.
It's time we had the talk
What talk?
about the birds and the bees.
What?
You know, the birds and the bees.
I want nothing to do with the birds or the bees.
Oh, here's something. Tropical birds are 30% more colorful than those living near the poles, says research. Let's see. I think here's one. How the bees you know are killing the bees you don't. Inside Science.
Oh, that's interesting. Also, I have a question.
Yes. But you remember my friend Creepy Peepee, right? Right? He creeps and he creeps and he creeps.